Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Right now it's me and Brooke. We're about to have Trevor come through, and then we're gonna go get a car wash, head over to Kaylee's, and then hit a car meet. So we'll catch you guys in the midst of all that.
Hi.
Alright guys, so I just got done washing up the Jeep. We're about to go back to my house. Trevor's there waiting, so I'm about to pick him up. The Jeep's looking real pretty, you know. I know this isn't my cool car for the car meets, but this is all I got right now to work with. So we're about to take this to the car meet, hopefully get some good content for you guys. I told you guys every single day, gotta drink a bang. It's part of the daily routine. So I'm gonna catch you guys at my house once Trev gets here. Alright, so Trev's here now. We're waiting on JV, and then we're about to hit the car meet. Yes, I'm wearing a scarf. It is so cold. It is freezing.
Jay said he's about to be here.
Yeah, Jay's on his way here, so just gonna wait for him.
What's up, guys? 1 second. Welcome back to another video. Reporting live from 333 Mexico. We are in Mexico right now. We're at a parking garage. Stay tuned.
They're going crazy at this meet, but the Jeep looks so clean. The Jeep looks so hard. I can't wait to have the Z out here, guys. I need more motivation for the Z. I can get it done in this cold weather. All right, guys, I'm about to get a montage of all the cars. So. So apparently the cops came, so everybody's dipping right now. I think I'm gonna go get gas, and there's a new spot that we're all meeting at. But it's a good meet for the winter, I'm not gonna lie. What do you think? What do you think, Brooke?
It was pretty good. A lot of burnouts, drifting on the snow.
This is my first time to a meet. I don't even know. Just gotta get the content for you guys, you know.
It's just too cold.
It is pretty cold.
There's a cop.
I'm wearing a scarf. Wait. Yeah, cop's coming this way.
Maybe.
What's up, brothers? Welcome back to another vlog. We are back at Blaze Pizza in downtown Mexico. And look at that black girl right there. That's Jay's sister.
I didn't know that we were in Mexico right now.
That's 3.
Where's the other one?
That's the shit.
How you like the Blaze?
That game's
Oh, it's great. I got this.
He got dick. Look at my shit.
What is it called?
Look at mine. Okay.
Barbecue chicken. That's what I got.
And what's she getting?
I saw in the story.
Yeah, barbecue chicken. They fucked up my pizza the first time. So I had to do
Hey.
my bad. They messed up on my pizza.
Slide Brooks' car. Alright guys, I'm not even about to lie, I completely forgot to film an outro to this video, but if you can, make sure you go down below, please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you did subscribe, make sure you comment that down below. I'll get back at every single person that says that they did subscribe, and honestly, just do it so you can see more of these videos. I mean, I had a blast filming this. I mean, it felt really good to get back at a car meet in the middle of the winter, so, you know you're going to be seeing more of that the next video. The next video is going to be a banger. So stay tuned for that and roll the outro.
Big shot, everybody act like they some big talk. Let me show you how you could get picked up. Bad bitch in the back with no ring on. Who is here once I get off, get down. Living like this till my time's gone. And I'm in an infinite time zone. Everybody act like they some